Hello, hello, hello. How y'all doing today? Today I am bringing you a Dollar Tree DIY. So let's get started. So the first thing we're going to need is the famous Dollar Tree vase. So all it is the Dollar Tree candlestick with the vase that you hot glued together. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen how this was done. One of those, and then we have these the long stem floral arrangement. So I have 8 stems, and all you have to do is just pull the leaves off. 1, 2, put it to the side, and then pull that price tag right off. And so what I did first was I just took the leaves and I just placed them in the inside of the jar. Do is take the leaf and fold it about halfway so you don't see that stem right there, and just put it in a jar and just kind of like set it to where, like, frame it around the jar with this part on the inside, and put the ones, just leave a few of them taller just to give it some variation, and just put those kind of in the middle so it give it, just put those in the middle just like that to give it a little height. Then you want to turn your jar around and make sure that, I'm gonna put one right there so that no open spots are being showed, just like that. I'm gonna put this one, and then you want to take the vein side and make sure you turn it around so you can't see that side. Just slide it in there. Just like that. Then next we'll take our flowers and do the same thing. So I have this one that's already bent, and I'm going to just open these up and slide it in there. Just like that. Oh, sorry, all in your way, huh? put that one. And see, I like that. Just, y'all can't see it. Let me lift you guys up. So here is how it looks. And I like it just the way it is. Isn't that pretty? Just like that. And then I'll turn it around and make sure that all the green is covered in the back. And if I have to take a leaf out, I can. And just maneuver it and put it right, slide it right back in there. To cover it up. So, even if you turn it around, whichever way you turn it, you don't see any of the stems. All you see is the greenery and the plant. So whichever way you want to put it, look at that. Just cute. Whichever way you want to put it, you can. Isn't that cute? All right, so that is my Dollar Tree DIY. I hope you enjoyed this video. So I'm going to show you where I put it. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And if so, I would love to have you as part of the family. So I'm going to show you where I placed my DIY. Let me turn on the light. So, let's see. And that's where I put it. Right there I have my stools that we sit on. Let me see if I can. You can't see it the way I'm holding this camera. So that is my bar stools. And then I have my place settings. I have a little white apple right here. Just a little greenery. The candlesticks. And I purchased these from Goodwill. These white plates come from Ross. There was the whole set with the mug. And I purchased these from Walmart. These are the Pioneer Woman. And I made these. And I think I showed you guys in the video. And these are my Pier 1 napkins. So I just took it and put it in there like that. And that is my place setting and my Dollar Tree DIY. So guys, I hope you like this video. And until the next time, peace.